Hello, viewers around the globe. This is Dr. Afshan Hashmi, live from a studio in Rockville, Maryland. And friends, I want to remind you that these are my two books. The first one was a business book, The Modern Mughal Mentality New Strategies to Succeed in India and the Global Marketplace. And the second one was a science fiction book, The Outbreak of a Monstrous Infection. When this first book came, there was a lot of research in Harvard and Stanford University going on Jugaad, which I have conceptualized as thinking outside the box. Jugaad is a buzzword from India, and having conceptualized as thinking outside the box. Also, this book is in case study format and it was an Amazon bestseller. And this one, when this book came in 2019, there was no trace of coronavirus, and in a very unique story, I have taught my listeners and authors and readers about bioterrorism. And this book, the second one, The Outbreak of a Monstrous Infection, I will be reading the first page of the book and hope you like it, and hope once you listen to this. And this both these books were Amazon bestsellers, and they are in Nook, in Kindle, in paperback, as well as they are available in audiobooks. So, and they are sold wherever books are sold. And if you have any questions, do write to me at afshan at drafshanhashmi.com, and my website is www.afshanhashmi.com. Having said that, friends, now let me read the first page of the book. And here it is, chapter 1, and it says 1964 to 2018. In a sprawling bungalow in Potomac, Maryland, USA, lived Dr. Honey Singh, a board certified internal medicine and family practice physician, along with his beautiful wife, Baby Singh. Baby Singh was a fashionista and was funding women's causes through her Honey Babe Foundation. She had a ladies' book club by the name of Baby's Glam and Glitzy Club, which had many glam and glitzy ladies who were professionals living in Washington, D.C., Potomac, Maryland, Virginia, and even Beverly Hills, California, as well as elite from all of America meeting at her place on the last Wednesday of every month discussing various aspects of charities they wanted her and Dr. Honey to fund in this club. There was a wide spectrum of career women. There were doctors, lawyers, actresses, business owners, and models, to name a few. In these book club meetings, member would come prepared after reading a book of a famous woman author, and that author was even invited from any part of the world to give her presentation, followed by a Q&A in this prestigious and elite gathering. The book club was followed by a sumptuous meal which was specially prepared by a celebrity chef with his or her specialty cuisine. So this was the first page I'm reading, and now I will read about the book, and here it is about the book. A monstrous infection is spreading worldwide. Is this a simple infection or a deliberate attempt to ruin the human population or bioterrorism? What is this global infection and who is spreading this? To know that, read this suspense filled book by an Amazon best selling and hot number one new release author of a previous book called The Modern Mughal Mentality New Strategies to Succeed in India and the Global Marketplace. In the author's second book, a sizzling science fiction story, a crime is investigated by the FBI in collaboration with the Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) of India. So these two are my books, and please go and buy these two books and give me an honest review. And cheers and bye bye and happy reading.